signers and community helpers, whether you volunteer in your local food bank, nursing home, maybe even a museum, voting polls, or animal shelter, we have some signs for you. Thank you for serving your community. Now, let's learn how to sign community helper signs. This first section is general signs for volunteers. Volunteer. Volunteer. You pinch your shirt and you pull it out. It's like, hey, I'm ready. Volunteer. Community or community. Your fingers touch and twist or touch, touch. Community, community. Help. Help. This used to be the old sign for help, like you were helping somebody across the street. And then it changed into this. You can also do this directionally. Helping you, helping me, or helping everybody, or helping somebody else. Help. Serve. Serve. It's like you're holding a tray. Serve. Support. Support. Your dominant hand is pushing up your non-dominant hand, supporting it. Support. This section is all about volunteering at a food bank. Food bank. Food bank. Food and bank together. Food bank. Retirement, retired, or retire. It's our hands or index fingers up like you have a vacation. Retire, retirement, retired. Home. Home. It's a flat O going across the side of your face. Home. Food. Eat. Food and to eat is the same sign, just with a different movement. Food is twice, and to eat is once. This is what we call a noun-verb pair in sign language. Food, eat. Water, water. It's a W hand right towards your lips. Water. Coffee, coffee. Your two hands are grinding the coffee beans. Coffee. Drink, drink. It's like you're holding the cup and drinking it. Drink. Hungry. Hungry. You have a C-shaped hand moving down your chest for hungry. And if you're really hungry, you just do this with emphasis. Hungry. Free or free. When something doesn't cost anything, you might see free or free. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. It looks like a wheelchair. Wheelchair. This section is about volunteering at animal shelters. Animal. Animal. Your fingers are touching together with your thumbs up, and it wiggles back and forth on your chest. Animal. Shelter, as in the place, is finger spelled. Shelter. Dog. Dog. There are many variations for the sign dog, but this one, D to G with snapping, is the most popular. Dog. Cat. Cat. You're showing the cat's whiskers. Cat. Adopt. Adopt. Both hands look like they're picking up something. Adopt. Shot, immunization, or vaccine. You have a 3-hand pushing in the shot. Shot, immunization, or vaccine. This section is volunteering at museums. Museum. Museum. You have flat M hands making a building. Museum. Art. Art. Your finger is drawing like you're in art class. Art. Theater or drama or to act. You're doing A-shaped hands moving in a circular motion towards yourself. Theater, act, or drama. Bathroom. Bathroom. You have a T hand shaking it back and forth like for the sign toilet. Bathroom. Elevator. Elevator. It's an E hand going up and down like an elevator. Elevator. Stairs. Stairs. You're using your 2 fingers and bending them and walking up the stairs or down the stairs. Stairs. This section is about volunteering on election days. Election or to vote. This is showing the act of putting your ballot in for an election. Election, to vote. Ballot. Ballot. You're doing the sign for the election and then showing the piece of paper. Ballot. License. License. You have L-shaped hands and it's making the shape of a license. License. Wait. Wait. Your fingers are wiggling to the side. Wait. Booth. Booth. You fingerspell booth. Stickers. Stickers. Your non-dominant hand is facing up, sticking the stickers. Stickers. Now let's put these signs into sentences. How can I help you? Help you how? Are you hungry? Hungry you? Can I see your driver's license, please? License, do you mind? Give me. The theater is over there. Theater, point. Thank you for putting in the time to learn some ASL and your time in volunteering. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video in our public service series. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.